It's blueberry season here in Louisiana, and it's just about time to start picking our blueberries. Now the question is, when do we pick? When are they ready? How do you know? Blueberries, when they come out, will first look like a bluish green color. They'll transition to more of a red pink color before they take on the true blue color that signifies they're ready to go. You can see here we've got some green ones. As they start to turn, they'll turn to the red color and they'll become the full blue. If you eat these now, they're going to be pretty sour. Once they're the full blue, they're delicious. This stuff is great. So high in antioxidants, make some pies, make some smoothies. And you don't have to have a lot of space in order to grow blueberries. You can grow blueberries in containers at home. It's easy. And for some of us that have soils that have very high pH, it's actually even better news because you can control better the pH in a container. Blueberries particularly like a lower pH media. You want to fertilize in the early spring, and then you want to fertilize one more time after they've already produced and you've already harvested. No need for heavy pruning. Now for growing blueberries, you want to make sure you have more than 2 to 3 cultivars. We have Tiff Blue, Premier, and we have Climax. You need 2 to 3 cultivars in order to cross-pollinate. We need bees to pollinate in order to get great, beautiful berries. For Get It Growing, this is Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.